My video is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Top Files Downloader. Top Files Downloader. The developers of the extension indicate that it is an extension that enables you easily and quickly download multiple files from websites. But in reality, this particular extension is not as good as it claims to be. It actually operates as adware, and once installed it starts displaying the great portion of ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. So you need to access your Google Chrome menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this extension, you need to disable and remove the extension completely. This is the best solution to keep your Google Chrome always clean and free of any unwanted junk extensions. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your device with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.